Alright, welcome back everybody to Old Volks TV. Today we're going to go to the first Wednesday meet over at In-N-Out. The weather was super garbage all day long, and then now it's clear and perfect and beautiful safari weather, so we're doing that. Taking my nieces for the first time. They've never been to one before. They're from California, so they don't know how good it is. You can actually say that.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, alright, so Carla full of kids and going to the Volkswagen meet, so this should be super duper fun. Let's go. Alright, we made it to First Wednesday, so let's go take a walk and see who's here. There's a lot of cars, it's nice. So let's go have a look.
Mr. Jason, how you doing?
How you doing? Alright, so what do you guys think?
It's awesome.
Awesome.
Just yeah?
It's really hot.
It's really hot. You want to
Already.
go get something to eat?
Yes, please.
No ice cream. Let's go get hamburgers. Alright, we're gonna go inside and get some hamburgers to In-N-Out. How many Herbies can you have at one First Wednesday meeting? 2.5. There's a half, and then one actual real life Herbie. I don't want to get too close because VW Life is filming this one, so we gotta stand back a little bit. Jackson. It's the Old Volks TV.
Alright, if you're watching this and you like Old Volks and you like what Jason's doing, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, because Jason's doing it for you.
Thanks, Matt.
Hello, how are you guys?
What do you got there?
Bread.
And animal fries.
Cheese.
Hi, Rylan.
Hi.
All right, our bellies are full, and now we're gonna go enjoy the cars. We're gonna go walk around and touch every car and get in every car and play with every steering wheel and every radio, right? That's how we do it?
That's how we do it. Maybe damage some property.
That's how we do it at car shows.
Happy 4th of July, everybody. It's the famous Ziggy the Bus.
So this is good because this is what always happens at stupid car shows. Is I walk back to my bus and I see this is what's happening in the bus.
But I brought you a vintage Coleman.
VW Life
VW Life is here.
and others. Greg. Everybody's here. Everybody's inside the bus.
We're going on tour.
Hey, yeah. Watch your eyeball on the Matt Jackson hippie stick.
That's what we were saying. We almost got poked.
Oh yeah. You can
Yeah, my hair was there.
My hair was there.
Oh, I thought they were lit.
surprised you didn't light him.
He was looking for a lighter. There's not many split buses out there you can stand up in.
No. Probably mine. That's it.
Maybe Chomley here can stand up in them.
No, I don't think I can.
Needs a little canvas work though, I think. Possibly a
Better
screen.
airflow.
See, that lets the mosquitoes out.
How are you?
That's what that is. That you'll be able to get into.
Hey man, 66 bus mafia, right?
Yeah.
The OG Sapphire 3, Jason, I see you.
The original to the bus.
Oh yeah, dude.
See the fancy mic placement for the CB. Easy reach, speaker in your face.
Very Matt Jackson of you.
He sent me the link.
Of course he did.
Alright, walking around the show and I ran into a fan. Oh, you got rid of the notification. I want to see the notification. I was going to put it on the film. Our video just came out 8:30 Wednesday. Old Volks TV. You're watching it.
Subscribe. Click the link down below.
Look, she's watching my video on the video.
It's working.
Ah, that's funny.
Live TV.
So hopefully you're watching that video now, and then later you'll be watching this video, and we'll be watching that while I'm filming the next video. All right, let's take the kids and go walk around and look at some cars. See if we can find some people we know.
We got that water slide set up. We will be there about.
Charlie.
Hey, bud. What's up?
Come on, man.
What? That's bad.
It's an expensive shirt to leave hanging in the closet, bud.
Oh, the one like this. I got just one.
But you never wear it, so it's always
You should see on the back of my convertible. Hey, look.
I got mine at Busted by the Bridge.
I got mine in Octo, baby.
There it is.
This is hot.
I got a receding hairline.
I almost wore that shirt today.
Hey, with my Volkswagen on the back,
Yeah.
I bought all the triples from him.
You always buy the car after they come out with the shirt?
Yeah. I need my 62. By the way, I have the whole 5 years license plate. My convertible. I showed you a picture.
Oh, you took Brett's.
Got two credits. So you wonder why I got it down. I am kind of hard. So I'll let you hang out. They always have to
Check that thing out. Yeah.
I know. This is a super nice bus. I've not seen this one before. Little 15 window under construction. Super nice.
We love early
What? Pretty good turnout tonight, I think. Ooh, they're not filming over there. We can go look at the Herbie car now. Parked under a light too, that's nice. So this is an actual Herbie. This is number 10, I believe. Hey, look who it is, oh, way over there. It's Gary from Old Volks TV. Oh, wait, no.
Wait! Oh, I'm gonna get a little. Hello, everybody out there at Old Volks TV. How are you guys doing tonight? Hope you guys are having a fun night here at first Wednesday of the month.
Look, it's all of VW Live.
We're gonna be on Old Volks TV, Matt Jackson. Hey, you know what? Whenever I say Matt Jackson, guess what people have to do? It's a drinking game.
I like that.
And when I say beautiful, it's a beautiful night here at In and Out.
I like that.
So thank you very much for being here, buddy, and for doing your channel. It's wonderful.
You can't see this, but I'm thumbs upping right now.
He is. I'll verify that.
So here, I'll interview you about your interview.
You will? Oh, yes. Okay. What are we going to talk about?
Okay. Tell
Yes,
me
sir.
about this car.
So,
And what did you do to this car?
well,
With this car?
I got to ride around in Herbie number 10. I'm kind of a big deal after doing that, you know. No, I mean, okay. So our Herbie, everybody knows about Herbie, came out in 68, 69. Well, this is Herbie number 10. This is an actual car from the movie that was like 50 years ago. And this car right here has quite a history. It sat on the back lot at Disney for probably 8 or 9, 10 years, went to a museum, then a fella bought it, and then Clayton got it from that guy here in 2016. And
we can hear the whole story on VW Live?
on VW Live, you can see everything on it. It's coming up here. But the most important thing about this car is this is an oval.
No way.
Yeah. Yeah, this is an oval that, I mean, probably, can you imagine back in the day? Here's probably what happened. They go like, hey, we need 10 Volkswagens. So they sent Fred out to go buy 10 Volkswagens, and Fred shows up, I got a blue oval, and they're going, Fred, what? So they had to hack up this oval to make it look like a 63 rag top, and they did.
Man, was it a rag?
Oh, no, that's, no.
Oh, wow.
So, so yeah, that's the thing that got me the most. It's like, I'm sitting here, I'm going, wait a minute, this is an oval. And sure enough, you know, yeah. And it was a blue oval too. But yeah, it's quite a story. I mean, it's an interesting story, and yeah, Matt Jackson's going to put together a really good VW Life on this, and we're just lucky here in the Volkswagen community that we have something like this right here in our area, because it's got a lot of cool history. I mean, it's a very historical car for Disney people, for Herbie people, and for Volkswagen people.
And how many people could say that, hey, I drove both my Herbies to a car meet?
Not very many.
Wednesday.
Yeah, not very many at all.
Because Clayton has 2 of them.
Yes, he does.
That one.
Yes, over there.
Right there.
Over there, and then
this
Herbie
one right
number
here.
10.
And this one
Which is a
right
true movie car. Cool stuff. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Gary.
Yes,
from
sir.
VW Life.
Thank you very much, Old Volks TV.
All right, there it was, first Wednesday. It was pretty epic. So many freaking cars and a real Herbie from the movie. That's great. That was pretty exciting to see Clayton bring that car out. I didn't even know that car ran, or that it was an oval. Crazy, the stuff you learn on a first Wednesday. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Just yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome. How about you, Rylan?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sweet.
Not tired at all.
Well, it's a good thing it's the weekend.
Yeah. And we get to see fireworks tomorrow. Boom. Oh. Boom.
All right, so we're gonna drive home. It's dark, but I'm gonna film it anyways, because that's what we do. If you like our channel, subscribe to our channel. If you had lots of fun, share the channel with your friends. Check out our friends, VW Life, Matt and Gary. We saw them a bunch tonight. They got this new episode. They're gonna go into that Herbie super deep and tell you all the history of that thing. It's crazy. VW Life on YouTube. Check out, oh man, VolksAmerica.com. See, you thought I forgot. I didn't forget. VolksAmerica.com for your Volks America magazine needs. We have the Volksmania magazine coming out in, I think in a month now. We're down to only a month. That's gonna be a good one. First episode, or first issue, if you get that first issue, then you get the commemorative sticker if you order that for your subscription. You only get that with a subscription, the special sticker. So VW Life on YouTube, VolksAmerica.com for the magazines. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And now you guys make the face. And then you make the face. And now you make. Perfect.